So, welcome to Family Adventures. I'm David, and today we've decided to come to Bognor Regis, Butlins. Stay tuned and see how we get on. So if you're residents, you stay here. These are your three main restaurants: Yacht Club, Coast Restaurant and Ocean Drive Restaurant. All different, slightly different grades of food, but that's where you would eat if you're staying here. I was just coming into the main complex, and it can get quite noisy and quite echoey in here, but this is all your arcades, and this is where a lot of your evening entertainment is accessed from. We've got various bars, Bar Rosso, Cafe Costa, or Costa Coffee over there in the corner, Hot Shots Bowling. Yep, so this is the main complex. This area over here, they do some shows during the day and early evening. A lot of the kids' entertainment takes place on this stage here. And here you've got the castle courtyard, and they have a puppet show here normally, but today, oh dear, the puppet show's off. It's Jingle's day off today, so there's no puppet show. So remember, no puppet show on a Wednesday. All the rides are included in your day ticket. Loads and loads of little rides for young ones. Ladybirds, teacups. Hey, and there you've got your Burger King, Subway, Chopstick, Noodle Bar. Lots of places to eat.
So I'm hungry, so we stopped off and we're going to get Subway.
Subway! He's only just had breakfast as well, but that's kids for you. Hey. Can't beat a good Subway. There's Isaac tucking into his wedges, and the chicken nuggets were a little bit cold, so we just asked them to be re-warmed up. Is that better? Oh, are they hot now? That's good. But what we have here is a Brainiac show, and they're running through different types of materials. So just run through plasterboard. Let's see if you can get through this. No, we don't. Oh dear, that didn't work, did it? It's another food eating area. Promenade, got fish and chips, pizza, Papa John's. There's a diner. It's just walking along another pathway up to the new splash zone, which is the big swimming pool. We'll let you know how we get on. This way to Splash Water World. This is all new development here. I don't know what they're building behind here. Just walk down this way. Keep going. Look through there. Some building work going on in there. We don't know what it is. You've got to go right over the other side of the car park. It's the big grey building in the distance there. Here we go. This is the new entrance to Splash, which is a big indoor water park. So obviously we weren't allowed to take a camera into the Water World Park, but here are just a few stock photos from the Butlins website, just so you can see the inside of the water park. It's really, really warm, and it's ideal for children of all ages and adults alike. Yeah, so that was the splash pool here at Butlins Bognor Regis. It was really good fun. Lots of little slides for the little ones, as well as bigger slides for the larger kids and the adults. Good fun. Gonna go get something to eat now. Yeah, and I forgot to mention that if you are staying here for a long weekend or a week-long break, these are the restaurants. You can actually upgrade to bed and breakfast or half board. And we've stayed here before, and the food is really, really good. The yacht club is the sort of the premium place to eat, and then they go down in cost as you move along to the right towards the Sky Dome. But the food is really good quality in all of the restaurants. So we've decided we're going to eat in the Beachcomber Inn, just because they've got a better selection of food for everybody. We've decided we're going to eat in as well, because the size of the seagulls here are massive, and they do tend to steal anything that's going. Yeah, we've decided to eat in the Beachcomber pub and restaurant. We're pretty hungry after Splashdown, aren't we? We went down the family log flume, and it was awesome. It was really good fun. You get 3 people in a dinghy, little blow up boat.
Yeah, no, the one in the Splash as well.
Was it scary? No, you were brave, weren't you? Yeah, he was brave. That looks quite nice, Isaac. Nice chicken strips, garlic, bread, peas. And I've got barbecue chicken now. So yeah, it's a glorious sunshiny day. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful weather today. Really nice. Alright, we're on the Dodgem. You ready to drive, Isaac? So one last thing, we're just going to go check out the beach here at Bognor Regis whilst we're here. Water. That actually looks really nice, doesn't it, Isaac? Looks like the Côte d'Azur. Or Côte d'Azur. So you can see it's mostly a stony beach, but when the tide goes out, there is some nice sand to walk on, and the colours of the sea is absolutely stunning. Really beautiful day today. So if you enjoy our videos, please do click like and subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit that notification button so you'll get free notifications whenever we release our new content. Thanks again for watching Family Adventures, and we hope to see you again soon.